Find or read reviews that people are talking about Pyle Audio Large Bluetooth Party Speaker, Big Bluetooth Speaker with True Wireless Stereo System. And why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Immerse yourself in superior sound with our party speaker. The True Wireless Stereo System delivers powerful bass and clear treble, ensuring your music comes alive at any volume. Whether you're hosting a lively party or setting the mood for a karaoke night, this speaker fills the room with rich, dynamic audio. Need a speaker that can keep up with the fun? Look no further. Our rugged design is built to last, making it the perfect companion for indoor and outdoor events. Take the party wherever you go, from the backyard to the beach, and experience uninterrupted fun with a speaker that's ready for anything. Controlling your music and settings is a breeze with the user-friendly interface. The bright LED display provides clear visibility, even in low light, so you can easily adjust the volume, switch between inputs, or navigate your playlist. Spend less time fiddling with controls and more time enjoying the party. This isn't just a speaker, it's a portable party starter. The built-in handle allows for effortless transportation, so you can grab it and go whenever the urge to strike a chord hits. With multiple input options like Bluetooth, USB, and microphone jacks, you can connect any device and play your music your way. Get ready to turn any space into a dance floor with this powerful and versatile party speaker. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching video introduce the latest product YouTube channel. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. Don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.